Hi, in this video tutorial I will show you how to install Python 3 and Django 2. The reason why we need to install Python 3 is because Django 2 does not support Python 2.7 anymore. Open your web browser. In my case I got Google Chrome. Type www.python.org. Then go to the download section and choose download Python 3.6.3 and then click on it to download it. In order to install Python, you need to click on the executable package. Please go ahead. Then add Python 3.6 to path and then choose install now. Once Python has been installed, click on the close button and minimize the browser. Then on the desktop area, right-click, select New Folder to create a new folder and call the folder Projects. Now open the command prompt of Windows by typing cmd and then click on it. Then go to the project's location, which is desktop/projects. Now let's create a virtual environment. Type python-m vmv my environment. Now let's go to that location. Type cd my environment. Then type dir to list all the items that are necessary for the environment to work. In order to activate the environment, we just need to type script \activate. With this command, we can access the virtual environment. Once you press the return key, then you can see my environment is in brackets as the environment is active at the moment. Now to deactivate the environment, you just need to type in deactivate. Now let's proceed to install Django 2. Let's activate the environment again. Then on the console type pip install Django. Then press the return key. At the moment, because I have an antivirus, my antivirus checking whether or not this installation is healthy for the system. Once the check has been accomplished, then the command prompt will install Django. So the installation of on your computer may vary because of the antivirus. So if you want to have a proper installation, just disable the antivirus and then proceed with the installation of Django. Okay, it says that Django has been installed successfully. Let's check on the Python Interactive Console whether or not we can import Django. So you just need to type Python on the virtual environment and then you got the Interactive Console. For me to check Python Django, we need to type in import Django. Then Django.getVersion brackets. And then you can see that the version is 2.0. It means that Django has been installed correctly, and we can also import Django in the Python Interactive Console. There is another way. Let's type it. It's Django.version. And then it will show the Django version and whether or not it's the final version of Django. Now let's exit the console. Let's deactivate the virtual environment. Well done, your Django installation is up and running along with Python 3.